Morning students. Today we are going to discuss a small topic about atoms and law of chemical combinations. In that, let us deal with what are atoms. So you can simply say as atoms are the smallest particles of the element that cannot usually exist independently and retain all its chemical properties. That means atoms are a piece of matter. It is very small. So, an atom itself is made up of three tiny kinds of particles called subatomic particles. That means proton, neutron makes up to the center of the atom. We're called the nucleus, and the electrons fly around above the nucleus in a small cloud. You can see a picture of this. This shows the picture of an atom where you can see the electrons, protons, and neutrons, where the neutron is in between and all, and this shows the image of an atom. So let us see that the law of chemical combination, it involves in two ways. The first is the law of conservation of mass. That means it states that a mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, and this was explained by the author Antoni Lavoisier. So this person explained that the matter can neither be created nor be destroyed in the laws of conservation of mass. And the second one, which comes under law of constant proportions, where constant it is stability, where Lavoisier, along with the scientist, he noted that many compounds of two or more elements, and each such compound had the same elements in same proportions, in same directions. So the elements are always present in definite proportions by mass in a chemical substances. So all these were done in the presence of Lavoisier. Whereas another problem faced by a scientist called Dalton, and his full name is John Dalton. So Dalton picked up the idea of divisibility of matter. So which was till then is a philosophy where he took the same atoms as given by the Greek and said that the smallest particles of the matter are atoms. And his theories also explained about laws of chemical combinations. So let us see that what John Dalton noticed. So here John Dalton explained about the laws, what I said, like law of constant proportions and law of conservation of mass. So he identified and he wrote some of the points. Let us see what's that. So in the first one, we can say that all matter is made of very tiny particles, which is called atoms. So atoms are indivisible particles, and atoms of the given elements are identical in mass and in chemical properties. So atoms combine in the ratio of small whole numbers to form a compound. That means from zero, the mass is measured from zero itself. So atoms of different elements have different masses and its chemical properties also. And the next, the relative number and the kind of atoms constant in a given compounds. All these points were discovered when Dalton in by Dalton in Dalton's atomic theory. All matter, whether an element, a compound, or a mixture, is composed of small particles called atoms. And this is about the topic. Thank you.